Hello, magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. Ayusin ko lang. Dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading. Ngayon na, Mismo. Okay, so hello sa lahat ng Virgo. Ang gagawin natin ay ang inyong weekly love reading para sa March 23 to 29. So, tingnan natin ano yung masasagap kong energy. Bubunot ako ng 2 cards from this deck that will be the overall energy of your reading. At habang binabalasa ko, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Virgo na nakasubaybay sa aking channel. Okay, please continue to support my channel by liking this video. It helps the channel grow. At sa mga bago, sana supportan nyo rin po. Subscribe na po kayo sa Mystico Moreno channel. Comment tayo sa baba kung mag-resonate itong reading. Okay, sige, simulan na natin. I'll take the 3rd card. Dahil March ngayon, diba? Ang bilis ng panahon, no? Our season na and mag-end na ang first quarter of 2026. First card, 7 of Pentacles. Second card, Queen of Pentacles. Alright. So, nakikita kong energy dito. Very tangible. Oops. Nahulog ang aking... Alright. Ayan. So, 7 of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles. Parang Pentacles siya. So, it's something that's really tangible about things that you really see in action then. And 7 of Pentacles shown here. Sinasabi dito that there's growth in the collection and there's some sort of reflection then. Parang I can see here na nagre-reflect ka when it comes to the relationship. Pero nakikita mo naman dito na itong person mo is someone that you really can depend on. Something na ayaw din ng drama sa life, but will provide you all the comfort. And, but you're wanting, ang nakakuha kong energy dito is you want something more din naman. You want, yung growth ng relationship medyo kasi slow moving siya. Pero gusto mo siya na parang mas mag-level up pa, mag-speed up pa when it comes to the growth. Kasi at the moment, what I can see here sa energy is that you want to have a really long-term relationship with this. Pero if medyo slow yung growth, di ba? Kaya napapaisip ka parang, ano bang gusto talaga nitong mangyari between the two of you? Parang ganun. So, tingnan natin yung detalye using this deck. Bubunot ako ng 8 cards from this. And while shuffling, gusto kong i-remind ang lahat, as always, that this is a collective reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. Kapag hindi nag-resonate, huwag pilitin. Ibig lang sabihin na hindi ko nasagap yung energy ninyo. Abangan niyo lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Baka yun ay mag-resonate na. Kaya subscribe na para updated kayo. Pwede niyo rin panoorin yung mga past videos ko. Baka isa doon ay mag-resonate kasi timeless naman talaga ang tarot and oracle reading. And best talaga to book a personal and private reading kasi mas naka-align yun sa energy ninyo, naka-tune in yun sa energy ninyo, and iba siya sa collective reading. So, message lang kayo, nasa description box naman yung email ko. Okay, sige, simulan na natin. So, I'll get the 3rd card again. First card. Okay, Page of Swords. Second card, 5 of Coins. 3rd card, Justice card. 4th card, King of Wands. 5th card, Knight of Swords. 6th card, 3 of Cups. 7th card, 7 of Coins. And last card, Page of Wands. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the Queen of Coins. Kailangan ko siyang takpan. Okay. Balik. Paano ba? Wait lang. Hanap lang ako ng... Sige. Natin siya with the Q. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. So, Page of Swords, Page of Wands. So, this is medyo bago pa tong connection na to eh. Bago pa tong relationship na to. That's why here, may growing pa lang siya. There's a growth naman in the relationship. Medyo mabagal nga lang. And as shown here by the Queen of Pentacles na itong person naman na to, as I mentioned, very dependable naman siya. However, dito, since bago nga lang siya, so marami pang mga adjustments na kailangan gawin. As shown here by the Page of Swords, medyo may immaturity pa ng konti dito sa person na yun na parang ilag pa siya na maging vulnerable, ganyan. Tapos, kaya it's somehow, kaya may slow growth ng konti sa relationship. And that's causing the parang sadness in a way sa part mo na parang ay bakit ang tagal naman mag-level up itong relationship, may ganun. So may tendency din tong person mo na mag-detach then once in a while kasi nga may medyo ilag siya maging vulnerable, but and when it comes to accountability, yun din, medyo ilag itong person mo. But as I can see here with the King of Wands naman, that the dynamics between you and your person is ayos naman. May honesty naman, di ba? I think may irerelay pa nga din niya sa'yo talaga na may ganun siyang tendencies. Okay, shown here also by the Knight of Swords na aware siya na may mga may pagka-impulsive din tong tao na to. Minsan may mga decision siya na nagagawa na nagko-cause din ng parang concern sa relationship, di ba? But very collaborative naman tong tao na to. Okay, as I told you, you can depend on this person kasi shown here by the Three of Cups is magaling siya when it comes to giving support. Pag may mga problema ka, pag may mga kailangan ka, ipoprovide naman niya yun, susuportahan ka niya. Okay? Yung issue is on his or her part. Okay? Walang issue sa'yo. Pero pag, kuwari, may kailangan ka, nandyan siya para sa'yo. Ang parang nakukuha ko pang love language nito ay service and time. So, and as shown here by the Seven of Coins, okay, tingnan mo, Seven of Pentacles, Seven of Coins, nag-double confirm lang siya. There's, parang nagre-reflect ka and evaluate mo yung situation kasi nga may sort of slow growth sa relationship na nagaganap. And as shown by the Page of Wands talaga, medyo, ano kasi, talagang, yun nga, medyo fresh pa tong relationship, and I can see also a younger person than you. So, ano pa siya? Parang hindi pa siya ganun ka-experience when it comes to the relationship. But here, again, what you don't see coming, but actually the overall energy is the Queen of Pentacles. Same siya sa Queen of Coins, which is a card na itong person naman na to talaga is something that you really can count on. Kasi ang love language nga niya is service at time. So, pag may kailangan ka sa tao na to, sige, give. Mas into action siya talaga when it comes to showing love. Pero, so don't expect masyado na, na parang express nyo into words or into other forms yung love niya. Kasi hirap pa siya sa gano'n na maging gano'n ka-vulnerable. Pero gusto ka nitong tao na to at pinapakita niya to into acts of service. Alright, so tingnan natin ano yung advice ni universe sa inyo. At paano kayo mag-navigate sa relationship na ito. Sige. Hope. Yeah, okay. Just hope for the best. Yun din yung sinasabi ni universe sa inyo. And there's hope naman din. Parang marami siyang interpretation. Nakikita ko dito, there's hope naman sa relationship. Parang itong person nga din na to is just allow this person to really heal and collaborate. Supportahan mo rin siya. Sinusuportahan ka niya. Supportahan mo rin siya sa kanyang healing journey para mas maging okay din yung dynamics ninyo. And hope for the best. Diba? Keep manifesting and positive outcomes only. So, push lang yan. Alright. So, salamat sa pagsubaybay. Sana nag-resonate. Kita-kits na lang sa susunod ko pang love reading. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, mismo. Ingat!